Architecture tells a story. From classic traditional homes to bold contemporary designs, the details matter, and windows play a major role in defining a home's character. While standard window styles work well in many situations, some homes call for something more distinctive. For homeowners in Washington, specialty windows offer a tailored solution that enhances architectural style, improves natural light, and elevates overall design appeal. What are specialty windows? Specialty windows are custom-shaped or uniquely designed windows that go beyond traditional rectangular forms. They may include arched, circular, triangular, or other geometric shapes that complement specific architectural elements. In Washington homes, specialty windows allow homeowners to maintain the integrity of unique architectural features while enhancing both interior and exterior appearance. Complementing traditional and historic styles, many Washington homes reflect timeless architectural influences, with distinctive rooflines, entryways, and decorative elements. Standard windows may not fully capture the elegance of these designs. Specialty windows, such as arched or divided light styles, align naturally with traditional architecture. They enhance the home's character without appearing out of place, preserving the charm that makes these homes special. Enhancing modern and contemporary designs, modern homes often feature bold lines, expansive walls, and creative use of space. Specialty windows can reinforce these design principles. In Washington's contemporary residences, large geometric or uniquely placed windows add visual interest and create dramatic focal points. Specialty windows support clean lines while introducing architectural creativity. Making the most of unique wall shapes, some homes include angled walls, vaulted ceilings, or unusual structural elements. Standard window sizes may not fit these spaces effectively. Specialty windows provide customized solutions that match the shape of the wall. Washington homeowners can introduce natural light into otherwise difficult areas without compromising structural design. Increasing natural light in creative ways, architectural beauty is enhanced when natural light flows thoughtfully throughout the home. Specialty windows allow light to enter from angles and positions that standard windows cannot achieve. In Washington residences, this can mean placing a circular window high on a wall or incorporating an arched window above a doorway. These details brighten interiors while reinforcing architectural identity. Creating architectural focal points, specialty windows are not just functional, they are design statements. Their shapes naturally draw the eye and add personality to both interior and exterior spaces. For Washington homeowners, a well-placed specialty window can become the defining feature of a living room, stairwell, or entryway. Enhancing curb appeal with distinctive design, exterior appearance matters, especially in neighborhoods where architectural variety adds character. Specialty windows set homes apart. In Washington, homes with unique window shapes often stand out for their thoughtful design. These features enhance curb appeal without requiring major renovations. Supporting interior design flexibility, specialty windows can frame views, highlight architectural details, or serve as decorative accents. Their presence adds dimension and visual interest to interiors. Washington homeowners benefit from design flexibility, using specialty windows to complement decor styles while maximizing natural light. Blending form and function, while specialty windows emphasize design, they also serve practical purposes. They bring in light, improve aesthetics, and contribute to a home's overall atmosphere. For Washington architecture, this blend of beauty and functionality makes specialty windows a smart investment. A perfect fit for architectural expression, every home has its own story, and windows help tell it. Specialty windows provide the opportunity to enhance architectural identity rather than conform to standard designs. For homeowners in Washington, specialty windows are ideal because they honor the home's structure, elevate its style, and create light-filled spaces that feel intentional and refined. By combining custom design with everyday functionality, specialty windows help Washington homes stand out while staying true to their architectural roots.